In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Amazon Associates sales by using my completely free geo-targeting service. So I've got a YouTube channel that gets about 150,000 views a month. So when people watch my reviews, I usually direct them to a link in the description box, they get redirected to Amazon, and then whatever they buy, even if it's not what I've linked them to, I get a proportion of that total cost. Now to do this, you need to join the Amazon Associates scheme, which is an affiliate program. So basically you refer sales to Amazon and you make a proportion of the total sale. Looking at my YouTube analytics, you can see that I've got a very global audience on my YouTube channel. There are 14 different Amazon storefronts, .com, which is America, .de, which is Germany, .co.uk, which is the United Kingdom, etc. They also have 12 different Amazon Associate programs. The problem is those programs are not compatible with each other, and what I mean by that is if you put an Amazon.com associate link in a video and then somebody in the United Kingdom clicks on it, they won't want to buy from Amazon.com, they'll go to Amazon.co.uk and then you won't get any of the commission. So what you really need to do is join every single Amazon Associate scheme, which means you then need 12 different links in your video description, which is bad for search engine optimization and will confuse your audience. So ideally what you want is one link that a viewer can click and then they're redirected to the right Amazon storefront using your referral ID for the right Amazon Associates program. This is called geo-targeting, and there are services out there that claim to be free. The problem is they're not completely free. The ones I found either directly charge you for the service, or they take a proportion of the clicks and assign their own Amazon Associates ID to those clicks. And this is why I developed my own completely free geo-targeting service, which is at www.am-redirect.com, and I'll leave a link to it down below. And basically there are two ways that you can make these geo-targeted links using my service. So firstly, there's a website front end where you can put in your Amazon Associate IDs for the different stores. You don't have to specify them all, you can just specify the ones you've joined. You then want to specify the ASIN code for the product you want to link to. Again, this is country specific, and you don't have to specify all of them. And finally, you can specify some keywords that Amazon will use as a search term in case it can't find the ASIN or you haven't specified the ASIN for a particular store. Click generate link and then the software will make a URL which you can copy and paste wherever you like, into your YouTube video, onto your blog or whatever. But in case this front end is a bit clunky for you, it is actually really easy to edit these links manually inside a text editor, so I'm just going to show you how to do that. Here I've pasted one of my geo-targeting links into a text editor and I've coloured the various portions of the URL according to their function. So let's add Amazon.com Associates information to this link. So the first thing we need is the US ID, so this is the Amazon Associates ID for the Amazon.com store. And you can see that all we need to do is make sure there's an and symbol or an ampersand symbol as it's known there, type US ID because US is the two-letter identifier of the American store, equals, and then your Amazon Associates ID, which you can find on your Amazon Associates homepage. Each of these and symbols just separates a parameter in this URL. Now we need to add, or we don't have to, but we're going to add the ASIN for the US store. If we didn't put this in, then it would just use the search keywords at the end of this URL and search for those in the Amazon.com store. You find the ASIN for a product by going to the item page on Amazon.com, scrolling down, and usually under this sort of product information section, there's a thing that says ASIN. So in your geo-targeting link, you now want it to say US ASIN equals, and then this ASIN basically. And at the end of this URL, you can see where it says keywords, and there are spaces in these keywords. You can't have spaces in a URL, so you've got to replace all of those with %20, which is the HTML character for a space. So all you need is Amazon Associate IDs for the different stores, ASINs for the different stores, think of some keywords, and get used to editing these text links, which I think are really, really easy. You will dramatically increase the revenue generated by your international audience. And as I said, this service is completely free. All I ask is that if you don't specify an Amazon Associates ID for a particular store, I'll put my own in there. But that's it. I'll leave all of the relevant links in the description box down below. It would be great if we could get a discussion going about this. So if you've got any questions about my service or general questions about Amazon affiliates and geo-targeting, leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and good luck.